Today we're reviewing the Bravex propane torch. Now this tool can be used for anything from clearing weeds from your yard to fire prepping wood to remotely lighting charcoal grills with tough to start coal and 101 other uses. If you need to apply 800,000 BTUs to something, this definitely will get the job done. This is the actual unit itself, the handle. It has a connector that goes down to a propane tank, which I've already turned on, and then the amount of flow through this is regulated with this knob up here. What you want to do is get the knob, and when you hear that hissing noise, come to this little button here. This is the starter, and that gets you your flame. Now, this is kind of a light, keep it going flame. When you actually hit the handle on this, it really pumps out quite a bit more flame. In fact, if you turn it up even more, it's awfully impressive. Now, you can also use this on very low for smaller areas or things that you don't want to apply as much heat to. This is all controlled down here with this single button. And again, you can use this to turn the torch all the way off. And this is what the unit looks like. It's actually a very handy little unit for being able to apply a flamed touch to just about anything. You could burn a medium-sized tree stump out with something like this. So there's a lot of uses. This is certainly a well-made piece of equipment, and I recommend it.
Hi, I just want to give a live look of the electric propane torch. It's a weed burner torch, high power output weed torch. It's with a push button, electric unite. It's for garden, ice, snow, melter, roof and roads. It's a 6-point-feet hose, or you can always add more hose if you want, buy more, or it's a furnace firepower 500,000 BTU. She's just a good melt, like it'll melt snow, or it's a brass file construction, adjustable flame flow metal button. But I'll give you a quick look. She's heavy duty. She feels alright. She's got good grip. Like, you know what I mean? It's, if you don't feel like your hose is long enough, you can always add on to it. But if you're probably using this, you'd probably already know how. But anyway, it's definitely a handy product to have. But anyway, wherever you're watching from, have a great morning. Oh yeah, that's a long hose too. Not too bad, I guess. But anyway, wherever you're watching from, have a great morning or good evening. Thanks for watching my video. we are with my new torch, and although it doesn't work that good in the snow, as you can see, that'll take you forever to do anything. See if it works as intended. Oh, not even showing. Busy looking. This is what I originally bought this for. So I figured it would help on the snow. Or at least it does that burn pattern I wanted to do on the wood. These are just scraps I'm using to test out and show you what the thing can do. There's an adjuster on it right there you can turn with your finger. And it connects to your tank. The only downside is it gave me like a 5-foot cord. I thought I was getting a 10-foot. But that could be on me, I may have misread. All right.